Good morning, students. Today's our topic is models. In our previous class, we studied the explanation of poem. I hope you all have understood very well explanation of the poem. Now, today we will learn about models. First, we should know that what is model. A models express the mode or manner of the action, denoted in the principal verb. So it's express our mood. Models are never used alone. We can never use models alone. For example, I can play upon the harmonium. So models have a principal verb with them. It means models will come never alone. Models also need a friend with him, like that is a main verb or a principal verb. So here I can play, can is a model and play is a main verb. So can has come with the principal verb. Models don't change according to the number or person of the subject. Models never change according the number or person. For example, I can play, we can play. Here I is a one person, is a first person and it is a singular, and we is a plural, but the can is same. So the models does not change with the number or person of the subject. Next point is models don't have the infinitive form. What is the meaning of infinitive form? Infinitive means 2 plus the first form of the verb. So models don't have infinitive. It doesn't took with him 2. We must get there before. It is not printed, it is before. Now let's start the models one by one. Number 1 is can. Can is we use to express an ability, capacity or power or capability. I can lift 60 kg. It is ability. It's my ability that I can lift the box of heavy 60 kg. She can pass the MBA exam. Her capability is that she can pass MBA exam. I can grant you leave. This is the power of mine, that I can grant you leave. This is the principal power, we can say, or any boss or any officer. To show possibility. So the number 2 point is when there is some possibility, there also we can use can. I can go there maybe or not. To take or give permission, if we want to take a permission or we want to give a permission, then also we can use can. Can I sit here, sir? Can I do this? Can I go there? Or etc. You can park your scooter here. Negative form of can is cannot. If we want to use a negative sentence, then there we will use cannot. I hope you have understood. The next is could. Could is the past form of can. To express ability, talent in the past. So she could sing beautifully, but she could not sing now beautifully. So if we are having the ability or any talent which was in the past but not in now, so we can use could. To express polite request. If we are doing request, normal request, then okay we can use can. But if we are saying that could we are expressing polite request, then we have to use could. For example, if you are saying please give me this pen, please. So it is a polite request. So there we have to use could. And the negative of could is could not. The next model is may. May is used to show possibility or probability. She may win the match. Rain may come. To give or take permission also we use may. For example, you also ask sometimes in the class that may I come in, ma'am? May I come in, sir? Yes, you may come. To wish or pray. May you get well soon. May you get well soon. May God bless you. To show a purpose. May is also used when we show a purpose. For example, he is working hard so that he may win. Why he is working hard? So he may win. And the negative form of the may we will use may not or mayn't. The next model is might. Might is the past form of may. To express less possibility. May we use when there is a strong possibility, but might we use when there is a less possibility. He might help us. We are not sure that he will help or not. Only very less possibility is there. For permission also we can use might. Might I start speaking? To express guess. That might be Rohit. That might be a scholar. That might be a good boy. If we are something guessing, then also we can use might. Negative form of might is might not or might. The next model is must, to express necessity or obligation. If we are having something necessary or we are obligation, then also we can use must. You must take part in the competition. It is necessary that you should take part in the competition. So here we can use must model to indicate assumption or conclusion. She must be here in the evening. For conclusion also we can use must. She must be here in the evening. In case of probation, you must not bunk school. Probation, that you should not do these things, you should not do this, it's not good or and all. You must not bunk school. And the negative form of must is must not or mustn't. I hope you have understood these models. So we will meet again in our next video. Till then, thank you and